So let's start with a simple problem that we have x plus y. This is one term and 2x 3y. Okay, so these are the two terms. Okay, so these are the binomials because each term has two entities. Okay, so 1 and 2. So this is called binomial, and if there are more than two terms, then that is called polynomials. So basically we are dealing with polynomials. Okay, so how to add them? What we will do, let's put a symbol plus, and now we have to add. So let's first open the brackets. So let's put it this way, y plus, and here 2x plus 3y. Okay, now x and y cannot be added together. Okay, so basically what I'm talking about, that as 2 and 3 becomes 5, x and plus y cannot become 2x or 2y. Okay, this cannot happen. So x adds only to x terms and y adds only to y terms. So let's group them together. So x is here, so x, and here is 2x. So we will put here 2x. Let's put y here, and this 3y, let's put right there. Okay, so 3y. Now we have grouped these two and these two. Now we can add, because x plus 2x can add. So here is 1x, here is 2x. Okay, so add them together, so it becomes 3x. It adds like, you have one mango and two mango and then add together to form three mango. But if you have one mango and if you have one orange, then mango and orange cannot add together. Okay, so this is similar. Same thing right here. Okay, we have replaced mangoes with x and oranges with y. So we have grouped x together here, so 3x, and y together here, so it becomes 4y. So this complete addition adds to 3x plus 4y. This is how we add two binomials. Okay, let's see another example. Let's see x plus 2x square plus 5x cube. This is a polynomial, and we have to add to 4x plus 5x square plus 6x cube. Okay, now we have to add these together. So remember that x will add to only x square adds to x square, and x cube adds to x cube. So we have to group them together and then only we can add. So let's group them. Let's open the bracket, and or you can directly group them. So x 4x, right, and 2x square plus 5x square. Okay? 5x cube plus 6x cube. Now we have grouped these two together, and now we can add. So 4 plus x is 4x plus x is 5x. Okay, 2x square plus 5x square becomes 5 and 2 7x square. Okay, now add these two. 5 plus 6 is 11x cube. Okay, so this is how we add polynomials. Okay, so let's see another example. Let's see one more example. X minus 2x square, we have to add that 6x plus 5x square. Okay, now let's add these two. Okay, same thing. What we will do, we will group them together. X will group with the x entity term, and x square term will group with x square term. So x plus 6x. Okay, this we have group plus. Okay, here we have to collect this with its sign. Okay, so minus 2x square plus 5x square. Okay, don't forget the sign. If there is minus sign, then take the term with the minus sign. Okay, so you should not leave the minus sign behind, as we leave plus sign. Okay, so we just put it there. Now x plus 6x becomes 7x plus, okay, and minus 2x square plus 5x square becomes 3x square. Okay, so 7x plus 3x square. Okay, so what we have done here is, this is minus 2 and this is plus 5. So if you add minus 2 to plus 5, what it will become? Because here is minus sign, then 2 will be subtracted from the 5, so 3, and the sign here comes from the bigger number. Okay, the 5 is bigger number, so the sign will be plus. Because it is a plus sign, we don't put plus sign if it is not in the middle of two numbers. Okay, so we just have 3. So what we have here, 3x square.